Hey guys, Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be opening up our Birchbox for October 2020. This is a $15 a month subscription. In here, we should have between 5 and 7 beauty, skincare, hair care, makeup samples. As always, if I don't know something is cruelty-free while I'm filming, I will put that on the screen for you right here, as well as do some research and put the estimated sample size of each product in here as well. I've said this in previous videos, but all my boxes are coming super late now due to coronavirus. You may have heard of it. So this box I typically get like no later than like the 6th of the month. Today is October 15th and I just got this yesterday. So I got this on October 14th. So everything's a little bit later, so my videos are then later in the month as well. So anyways, enough rambling. Let's just go ahead and see what's in this box. Okay, so once you get the outer box off, we're gonna have this little box right here. These are always super cute. I enjoy them a lot. They're just really adorable. So let's go ahead and see what we have inside. This little card right here is going to have everything we're getting as well as their full-size values on here. So I will be sure to let you know of the full-size value as well. The box itself is just like this. It's wrapped in tissue paper. Okay, I'm gonna pull out the first thing I'm seeing right on top. This is not cruelty-free, but this is the DD shampoo from, I think the brand is Divinus. I'm not sure exactly how to say it. I've never tried anything from this brand because they're not cruelty-free, so. It smells nice. It smells just clean, like nothing super special about it, but there's that. The full-size. Oh, sorry, I have a conditioner in here too, and I was looking at the card. So I also have a foil packet of the conditioner, which this is irritating to me. This is legitimately like a free sample. You know, this is a deluxe sample. This is something you could pay for, but this is free. Like, and the fact that it's on the card, that's just irritating to me. Anyways, the conditioner here, the full size is $33, and the shampoo full size is $29. So expensive shampoo and conditioner. I'm not going to say I would never pay that for a shampoo or conditioner, but I would probably never pay that for a shampoo or conditioner. Anyways, moving right along. Let's pull out this. This next thing is from Cella, which is cruelty-free. This is La Vie Neutral Eyeshadow Palette. Packaging is super cute. I've never tried an eyeshadow from this brand. I've tried a couple things, but never an eyeshadow. This is kind of adorable. This is really cute. Okay, so let me open it up. So it's just a little quad. I'm kind of into it. Like, I think this is great for travel. I know like it does have a full-size palette, but I'm definitely into this just for traveling. And it is like a, I don't know, it's sort of cool toned a little bit. I'll go ahead and swatch. I'll just swatch them all because there's only 4 in here. They do feel creamy. They don't feel like super powdery, so that's kind of good. I don't know if this pigment's going to be great, but let's see. There they are on my fingers. You can see the shimmers are very pigmented. The mattes are not as much, which is, I mean, it's just typical with an eyeshadow palette, I'd say. I don't know why I wore long sleeves. Okay, I was going to do it on the palm of my hand. Okay, so yeah, you can see like that sort of lighter brown did not swatch well, but it is a lighter color, so I'm going to give it the benefit of the doubt. It's probably something that's buildable. The shimmers are pretty good. That's the gold, that's like the silver, and then there's the dark brown matte. So, I like it though. I'm into it. I'm not mad to get that. I love that it's tiny. Like, that's great for me. So definitely excited about that. And the full size is $45, which I'm not sure exactly what the full size palette entails. If I can find a picture of it, I will put it right here for you so you can see if it's something you think is worth $45 or not. I'm not sure. I can't speak to that. The next thing is from Kiehl's, which I don't know if they are cruelty-free. Don't think I've ever tried anything from them. This is the Powerful Strength Line Reducing and Dark Circle Diminishing Vitamin C Eye Serum. So there's that. It's pretty small, but I find that eye serums tend to go a long way, so this little thing could last you a while even though it is pretty tiny. The full size is $50, so expensive, but like I've said in previous videos, that eye serums just tend to be more expensive. I don't know what the deal is, so like that price doesn't surprise me. It is sort of like a yellow color. It has an interesting smell. I don't know what that is. Maybe it's the vitamin C? Not a bad smell though. It definitely feels like creamier than most eye serums that I've tried. Like usually they're kind of like watery a little bit. Let me know if you have that experience too, but this feels a little bit thicker. So yeah, if it's cruelty free, I'll use it. If not, I'll give it to somebody else. Let's see. Let's pull out this. This next thing is a brush from Luxy. It's in a little bit of plastic. This is the 243 Precision Blender Brush Rose Gold. I have a million brushes from this brand. I'm positive I have this exact brush, so I'm not gonna, I'll open it up a little bit so you can see what the head looks like. There it is. It's just like a blending, you know, eyeshadow brush, so don't want to touch it. I'm probably just gonna toss that into a giveaway, but I do really enjoy Luxy brushes. Some of my favorite brushes are Luxy brushes, so those are good. The full size, which this is full size, is $14. So this brush right here pretty much paid for the box. So I always like it when you know, you always get your money back, but sometimes the value is pretty low. But this is pretty good value. All right, and we have one last item. This is from Model Co, which is cruelty free. This is the Instant Brows Retractable Brow Pencil, and mine's in the shade Light Medium. I don't know if that's gonna work for me, probably not. I do enjoy the packaging. It looks kind of like blondish brown. I don't think this is going to be a good color for me. That's the thing that's, I don't even know if this brand asks for your hair color. I can't remember if they do. They must. Oh, it's so cute though. Really cute. Okay, so it has the spoolie on that side. And let's look at the color. That might be too light for me. I don't want to swatch it. Maybe I'll just swatch it. I'm sure I have a friend who has eyebrows this color I can give it to in case it doesn't work out for me. I'm gonna kind of like, that might work for me. So there it is right there, and I have a lot of stuff going on. That's the color. I think that might be okay actually. Light medium just scared me a little bit because I would think I'm more medium dark. But I might be able to make this work. Okay, and this, I would assume is full size, is $18. I will let you know on the screen. You've probably already seen it if it's full size or not. But 18 bucks, which I don't know if I'd pay that for an eyebrow pencil. I typically don't even use eyebrow pencils, which I should have thought about before I even swatched this. Because I typically just use a pomade. Well, too late now. I guess I'm going to use an eyebrow pencil. Okay, so that is everything we got in this month's Birchbox. Overall, I thought it was a pretty good box. I'm definitely most excited for this little tiny eyeshadow quad. I think, like, that's really awesome. I wasn't expecting that from Birchbox. Typically, we get, like, little eyeshadow singles, so to get a little quad, I'm excited about that. The brush is great. Luxy brushes are great. And the eyebrow thing, even though I don't typically use pencils, I feel like that's a pretty good thing to include in here as well. The shampoo and conditioner, not for me. And the Kiehl's thing, I'll have to research. Alright, so that's everything I have for today's video. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up for me. If you want to see more videos like this, more unboxings, all that good stuff, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right down there. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.